And yet another old friend revisited 2 years later. The old square body turbo diesel. Still running strong, still looks just as nice as ever. Of course, oiled like crazy. And still not used in winter, very fortunately. We're going to go for a drive pretty soon in this one. I'm going to say we have newer, not new. Here we have the 97. I guess if you need a strong truck, then this is the way to go. For towing and pulling. I'll take a peek under the hood really quick. That's a pretty big turbo on this. Keith is going to fire up the truck for us. We're going to take a drive in it too. Oh yeah, we got to show the antler. The truck had a slight mishap a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, the antler. Yeah, poor creature got hit by the truck, and we suspected the antler got flung over and landed up in the box of the truck. And we have since been repaired. There's the remainder of the parts. Well, anyway, Keith and his friends are pretty good body people. They can fix up these things very good. Still in the process of having that done. Keith, would you mind firing up for us, please? We can hear the sound. Oh yeah, there's a little bit left over here. There's a little bit of the denting left over, a little bit, a couple of cracks where the mishap took the brunt of the impact. There we go. All right. Go for a little drive. Climb up, way up. This is one of the young small. No airbag on the side to worry about anyway.
And obviously the one on this side isn't working.
Oh gosh, no. Yeah. Well, it's a cold day. We just had some snow flurries. That turbo whistle. Whistle, love it. That's just too much. The screws have been turned down a little bit tighter on this one. The fuel injection is turned up to the max from what I understand. Can't even tell you're doing 100 kilometers an hour, 60 miles an hour roughly. Amazing.
Keep it around 1,000 and just keep pulling. I'll show you on the hill.
Okay. Okay, we're going to be going up the hill over here. We're going to watch it pull. Yeah. 750 RPM, and top gear pulling a pretty steep hill. Yeah, that's just a torque in these beasts. 750 RPM, just idling up a hill.
But it's cold too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still cold on the gauge too, pretty much so. Are you running a synthetic oil in this beast?
Just 1540.
15/4, that must be the Rotella then. Turn around, we're going to come back down the road. Very proud Dodge owner here. That's my favorite part, that whistle. On a nice view, mid-autumn, well, I can almost call it late autumn at this point. Yeah, thank Keith very much for riding this one, then we'll have a ride in the old one pretty soon. Dodge Cummins Turbo Diesel. Motors are pretty much a legend on their own. Thanks again, Keith. Okay, now we're going to do a cold start on the old one, on the 1990. Great heater. It's definitely Dodge Day, people. And we have a friend coming down with another old car. We'll see what that's going to be. It's going to be an old car, an old truck. We'll see what that'll be. All these surprises you get. And away we go. But we can't hoof on this one yet because it's got to warm up a little. Ram leading the way. Yep, even around here you still find traffic every half an hour or so.
Scrap.
That's a sad day. There was another one. Yeah. Like I said, we have to wait a few minutes for it to warm up before we can do any sort of spirited driving, because it's going to be hard on a lot of parts if you don't wait. 480,000 kilometers on this. Barely even used. That's roughly 300,000 miles. That's barely even worn in for Cummins. We'll be back in a few minutes once the vehicle's warmed up a little bit. That's fifth gear pulling up the same hill. Just incredible amount of torque in it, and this is the older motor too. This is the 6BT. This is the engine that a lot of people like to swap into their other vehicles, or just transform or retrofit a gasoline powered truck into. Heck, there's even some cars running around with these things in them. They're an excellent engine. Summertime anymore. Always wear lanyards around your arms when you're holding cameras too. You never know what could happen. Miles an hour, not even trying. Yeah, they move these things. Nice to the right of this beach as well, Keith. We really appreciate that. We'll do any owner proud. Dodge Turbo Diesels. Different ages, different demographics, but still the heart and soul of a real pickup truck. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. What's more fun than one red Cummins Turbo Diesel dually? Two of them! Looks like it's diesel truck day. Diesel. 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 There you go. Rumble, rumble, rumble. There you go. Rolling coal. There you go. Rolling coal. This one just got turned up as well. We'll see more of it after. We hope. Gotta look for some parts.